This morning we are off very early to drive to Port Charlotte to pick up our new dinghy. Not new, it's new to us. We've been having such strange problems happen. Today, the back door wouldn't close. So now we're running a little late. Okay, it's gotta get better. It can only get better.
Yeah, we can have even weirder ones.
All right, no, stop. It can only get better. Later.
There's the little Logic 12. It's a polypropylene boat, and we hope to put an electric motor on it. Here's the Trawler. Oh yeah, good water strength.
There's the trailer for the boat, and Bill's gonna hook it up to the back of our car, and then I'm driving it over to pick him up in the boat. Where are we going?
Charlotte Harbor Beach, I believe. Dinghy, we have batteries, and we have an electric motor, and we have a gas motor for it.
We stopped in Okeechobee. Is that how you say it? Okeechobee?
I think, yeah.
For lunch and ate at Big Tasty's Diner.
Excellent food. Highly recommended. The cheesesteak and the hamburger were both excellent.
Oh,
as
the
were
onion rings.
Onion rings too.
Yeah.
Very, very good. Blasting up I-95. We're probably an hour or so from home. So far, it's been a pretty uneventful trip. Later, we are coming into the first bridge. This takes you from the main one onto Merritt Island. This is the Indian River. That's the Banana River. Well, this is the Banana River Lagoon on the left. And this is exciting Cape Canaveral. Okay, somehow we have to get into our very messy garage.
We managed to go to Home Depot and purchase 6 sheets of marine plywood. Even though it was pouring down crazy rain at our house, we got over to Home Depot, was able to get all the pieces in the car, got back to the marina and our storage unit, and realized we didn't have the keys for the storage unit. So we had to go back home. Still not raining. Go back home, get the keys, come back, get the cars parked so that we can easily get the marine plywood out of the back of the car and into the storage unit. It starts pouring down rain. So both of us are soaked.
Yeah.
Crazy. So it has been quite the day.
Yes, it has. And on this exciting June 24th, we wish our daughter a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Cameron.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you, beautiful daughter.
Have a great one. We're gonna get busy taking the door all apart. Is that better?
Yeah.
Anyway, we sistered the new piece back in. You know, if we'd gone and cut this to the 1.5 inch.
It's okay.
Yeah, so we can do it a third time. So anyway, we got this out, but I'll just use shims coming up on this side. That's back in, and so now we're gonna put the base back in, and then we'll put this in here in a moment.
This wall?
The wall over here, yeah, so that we have shimability on both sides.
Hopefully we get it right this time. Later. We think this is the last time we put this door in. So we're basically back to where we were on Thursday?
No, Wednesday evening. Okay, so we're going to drop that piece in right there, which is this piece. It is just the sidewall of the office. And then this will be the future doorway into the office, which will eventually have a barn door. It'll be very similar to this door here. Okay, we got that wall in now. Hey, Jeannie, have you tried walking in? So here's the doorway going out. You walk in, you have a little vestibule here. This little area. I can comfortably walk in here.
Of course, after I walk through this door, I would always close it.
She would always close it. I'll always
So
forget.
that I don't have to hear all this going on. Of course, when I'm in the office and he's in here working, I will have my headphones on.
Right. Go get some lunch, and then we'll come back and we'll make templates. Yeah, we got 3 walls to put in. We are back from lunch, and we're going to work on making this template for this imaginary wall. Jeannie will draw one in with her great fusion skills now. There's the wall.
I am the wall.
Yeah. The sidewall board of the office and closet, and then the interior wall for the closet cut. We're going to see if they come anywhere close to fitting. If they do, we'll cut Craig screws in them, mount them. If they don't fit,
Back to the cutting board.
we pulled all the pieces out, and they're now sitting there with their edges painted. We'll paint the centers once they're standing. It's a little easier to paint, although Jeannie went hog wild on that one and got it mostly done.
I was waiting on you.
Yeah, she was waiting on me to drill out holes. Hopefully we're going to come up here tomorrow morning for a little while, put those pieces in, do some straightening up. But we'll pretty much have the office at least initially framed in. And that's about it for this week. Later. We decided not to wait till tomorrow to do the wall installation, so we're up here. I'm gonna try to get those installed in an hour or so and see how that goes. And got quite the interesting sunset over there. We have this area all built out now. This is one of the first closets in this room. There will also be a hamper and maybe an small upper closet or in there. And then over here, where that big silver ducking is, there'll be another closet, which will be beside the bed and have a night table and everything built into it. And same thing over here. So, and then the bed will be coming out, and the bed will be ending about that line there. And so this is your walkway. We can come out. We walk right into the garage area. So yeah, you have to go into the garage to get to our offices now. Then I will have a desk that will be wrapping around here. And there's my seat. And then Jeannie's desk will, be right over here. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the way this appears to be coming out. Anyway, that's it. We're done. We snuck up here and took an hour to do this. So later.